nutty dark chocolate tea cakes, sweet and sticky cinnamon buns, and crunchy cookies. All of these can be made without any added sugar. And that's what we're going to be teaching you in our 7-day online baking classes. I'm Janani, I'm one of the co-founders of Sampurna Ahara, and I've been baking whole food plant-based goodies for about 10 years now. I have a major sweet tooth, and so I'm very excited to be sharing with you some of my favorite recipes. We're going to be having 7 days of online classes. Each day would be about 30 to 45 minutes. You can watch your video and bake along with me. You'll have a recipe to make every single day, as well as a few bonus recipes at the end of the course. You'll get answers to questions like, what do you do when you want to bake crunchy cookies, but you have dates as your sweetener, which can be soft and gooey? How do you make diabetic-friendly goodies? How do you make something that really satisfies somebody who has a very sweet tooth, or that satisfies a child who's used to eating sugar? How do you sweeten with multiple types of fruit? We're going to be talking about dates, bananas, pineapples, sapotas, mango, hopefully, if it's in season. We're starting our course on May 1st, but you can sign up immediately. There are details in the description, and there's a large discount on it because we are very passionate about what we do, and we'd like to support as many people as possible to start baking sugar-free as well. We hope you join us on this journey.